Hey everyone, Simply You here. Today is Girls Night Out. It is Saturday, 8 2022, and we meet once a month. It's people I have known for a long time, they're my friends, and whoever decide to join, we always, want more people. So whenever we go out and make friends with somebody, we invite them. So tonight it's four of us. One person is missing because they have to work, but girls' night out. I'll keep you all posted. Right now, I look like a hot mess, my hair, but I'm going to get ready and I'll show you my final look before I step out the door, and I'll vlog a little so you can see the sights because it's about 45 minutes from the house. So I'll vlog a little. Is it that far? No. I think it's maybe 20. So I'll vlog. See you soon when I'm all done. This is me. I am back. This is what I'm wearing for ladies' night out. This is my blouse. This is my pants. I'm wearing jeans. And I have black sandals on. And I'm going ladies' night out. I will film a little bit so y'all can see. You notice I have a wild cherry this time. My son got wild cherry. Hey everyone, I am heading out to a girls' night out dinner. Last month, July, we picked a Spanish place. We had Mexican food, and this time we are going to Olive Garden, so we can say we're having Italian this time. So that's what's going on. I am slowly leaving the house. I hope I make it there on time. I'm usually ahead of time, but for some reason today, time got away from me. Oh my God, I don't believe we're supposed to meet at 6. What time is it? I don't even know what time it is. Where is my clock? Do I have a clock? Yes, I do. Oh, sometimes I tell you. Okay, I'm going a good distance, so I need to get to. Okay, I'll take Atlanta. No, I'll take Southgate to University, and University down to Broward Boulevard. That's where I'm going. So I'll do that. We decide we'll meet at 6. I already know I'm late today. I'm usually never late. I'm usually very early. Like I say, I lost track of time today. Usually I'll be already down there sitting in the parking lot waiting for everybody. Now I am the one they'll be waiting for. This is interesting. Let me see, what time is it? It is 5. Oh, it's 5:32. Okay, not bad. Yeah, I can make it there on time. It takes about 20 minutes, so yeah, I'll be there way before that. I will slow down. I'll drive slow, but I'll make it there on time. On time and safe in one piece. Oh, hello. I made it. 3 minutes after 6 and I made it. Dry roast pork. Okay, let me turn you all around to see the rest of the girls' night out. You all are on candid camera, so here we go. This is my friend Jenny. I know Jenny for how long? Since 1984. Hello. Yes. This is Alfreda. Hey Frida, say hi. 1984, know her. And this is Grace, my sister. I know her forever because she's my sister. I always have to do take 2. It's never take first. I'm trying to laugh so hard. Alfreda have a pretty drink. No, that's cool. And the rest is our boring drink. Water for Jenny, Coca-Cola for me, iced tea for Grace. See, we're just having boring drinks. Frida is the one for tonight. Yay! Okay, this is our salad. Now you can take your salad. This is our appetizer. Oh, and this is our bread. We're all eating. Jenny's plate, Alfreda, Grace. And I have my bread in my hand. Oh, this is what Grace ordered. This is what Alfreda ordered. Salmon with fresh broccoli and some cheese. Oh, and Grace own is shrimp scampi. See how beautiful that look? Oh, and I have the same thing as Alfreda, fresh broccoli and salmon. And Jenny have, what we have again? Chicken Alfredo. See how gorgeous? Oh, we are picking out over here. Yes! Ladies' night is finished.
Yeah.
We are going home. We had fun.
Yes,
thanks.
we did.
Yeah. Bye. Hey everyone, I'm back home. Ladies' night is done. So I'm in the garage. So I'm wrapping this up and you'll get to see it. We had a ball. We had fun. And one of my friends, which I talk in my new book, this is called Kennep. Let me open it so you can see. I gotta open it so you can see what it is. My hands are all packed with stuff. So this is a Kennep. I was talking about Kennep. It's in my second book. That's a Kennep. And when you bite it, oh, this one's sweet. This is sweet. This is what it looks like. So you eat the pulp on this seed, and then you can roast the seed and eat it, or you can just throw the seed away. In Dominica, we call this chanet. In St. Thomas, we call this Kennep. I am going to eat some Kennep and chanet, the same thing. And see, this is what a Kennep look like. This one is really good. This one is sweet. Thank you all for watching. Always remember to have fun. Life is short. Enjoy it the best way you can. And always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, Simply Makeup, will see you. Bye.